Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative cable to avoid shorts and airbag faults. Once done, remove any trim surrounding the radio using plastic pry tools. Work from corners to avoid cracks. Use a Torx or Phillips to open visible screws. Keep them in a labeled container so you don't lose placement. Make sure you have the radio security code and a steady workspace. This saves time and prevents being locked out once the unit is removed. With trim off, locate and remove the mounting bolts securing the radio chassis and its sleeve. Once bolts are out, slide the radio forward slowly until you can access the rear. Support the unit so it won't drop. You'll find the antenna cable, main harness, and possibly a CD changer or steering wheel control socket. Depress each connector tab and pull straight back to unplug. If connectors are stiff, wiggle gently while pulling. Don't yank on wires. You'll damage pins or brakes. After unplugging, release the radio from its sleeve by pushing the retention tabs outward or inserting removal keys, then slide the sleeve out of the dash. Clean the cavity and inspect wiring for corrosion before fitting the new unit or stowing the old radio. Reinstall trim and reconnect the battery terminal, then enter the radio code to verify function. If the radio won't power or sound is missing, check the vehicle fuse for the radio and inspect connector pins for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.